Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It is really hot out there today. In fact, we're expecting record-setting heat, and not just for today, but for tomorrow as well. But we do have that heat advisory that will go into effect at 1 o'clock and will continue through 7 o'clock for portions of the viewing area. Tomorrow, more heat, a little stronger winds though, still looking mostly sunny, and then we'll see a chance for storms on Friday. Those could be strong to severe, but will also bring some cooler temperatures with it, and it's looking a lot milder here for the weekend. Here's that heat advisory really for areas along and south of I-80, and that's where we could see heat indices of 100 to 105 degrees in a few spots. We're already seeing those in the low to mid 90s as of 11:30 a.m. and we'll continue to see those climb with the temperatures. A lot of us will be in the mid to upper 90s for today, but there you see a few of those triple-digit heat indices again along and south of I-80. So drink plenty of water, take breaks from the shade, wear your sunscreen, and please do not leave pets or kids in the car for any amount of time. It's because dew points are in the 70s. It is extremely muggy out there, and we're expecting high temperatures to climb into the low 90s area wide, which will break the old records. And these are some long-standing records. You see Dubuque back to 1879 there, and 100-year-old records for Waterloo and Cedar Rapids. Those are expected to fall today, or at least get tied. And with the dew points, again, those are in the low 70s. That's very uncomfortable air. We will actually see the dew points dropping down a little bit for tomorrow because of some stronger winds, but that might allow our actual temperatures to climb maybe a degree or two higher than what we'll have today. So these are expected to be records as well for tomorrow. Low 90s once again, breaking the old records back in the 1900s that are in the upper 80s and the low 90s. Now we are seeing some cloud cover developing out there, the cumulus type clouds, and we'll see that mix of sun and clouds for the rest of today. Chance of severe weather out to our west. I think that will avoid us. It should mainly stay along and west of I-35. Otherwise, we're looking mostly clear for tonight, and then should be more sunshine for tomorrow with a couple clouds popping up here or there. We'll have a lot of haze in our sky as well. Then for Friday, cold front will come through. That will give us the level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather, 5 being the highest. And once we see that cold front passing, our temperatures drop down to the 80s and 70s, so it'll feel a lot more like spring rather than summer. But for today, we're going to look at high temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s. South wind about 5 to 15 miles per hour, maybe not as strong as what was once expected, so that's going to make it feel a little hotter outside. Then for tonight, down to only 70 degrees, still very warm and humid, and that will allow us to get back to the low 90s for tomorrow. About the low to mid 80s expected for Friday with the chance for storms, mainly in the east and mainly in the afternoon. That's going to be the best risk for severe weather. And then we'll drop from the low 80s Saturday to the mid 70s on Sunday. A few on and off storm chances over the weekend. Looking dry Monday and Tuesday with more rain by the middle of the week, but highs next week should generally be in the low to mid 70s.